How to install Shelly Vintage A60. Let's get started. This is a short unboxing of Shelly Vintage A60. You can see all sides of the box. On one of them are mentioned the technical specifications of the bulb. What you may find in the box when you are opening it for the first time. The first thing is a QR code, which will redirect you directly to the user guide when you scan it. After that, you will find the device, which is a 7 watts LED bulb with Wi-Fi control and vintage design. In this part of the video, it will be shown how to install Shelly Vintage A60. As it is a bulb, we will mount it on a test board. Before every test or mount of a device, be sure that the power is turned off. Just put the bulb in the lamp holder for installing. Turn on the power and the light will glow up. The next step is to add the device to your local network, and to start using it with the Shelly Cloud app. The device is creating an access point, to which you should connect. After that, open the browser on your smartphone, and open the local interface of this device by accessing the following address, 192.168.33.1. Go to Internet and Security and click on Wi-Fi client mode. There you must enter the name, SSID, and password for your Wi-Fi network. You can add them by DHCP or with static IP, out of the DHCP range. When you type them, press save and you will receive a confirmation. Now the device will try to connect to the network, which you've filled in the Internet and Security settings. Go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone, and connect to your home network. Open the Shelly Cloud application, and in 30 seconds you will see the room discovered devices. If this is not happening, just make a refresh. Open it, and you will see your Shelly with its ID. Press on click to add and type a name. Select a room and a picture icon, then press Save Device. You will be prompted if you want to connect your device to the Shelly Cloud service. It may take some time, so please wait. The device is successfully added to your account, and to the cloud. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Shelly devices.